Have you ever wondered why certain patterns keep repeating in your life? Why some people feel constantly familiar and some situations feel strangely distinct? This is where astrology begins. Astrology is not superstition. It is the science of time, pattern, and cosmic design. Your birth chart is like a celestial map, showing your personality, strengths, challenges, relationships, career, and the path, the life path, for instance. On this channel, Cosmic Clarity, we will learn astrology in a simple, practical, and powerful way so you can read charts, understand people, and understand yourself. Welcome to the journey from confusion to cosmic clarity. In my channel, every day, like I'm going to put a very short video from the beginning, step by step, so that you can learn all the intricacies of astrology. See you on the channel.